Today we will discuss about the surgical method. What is the surgical method in which surgery is done? Surgical method is that method in which surgery is done. मतलब किसी type that type of method is known as is done to prevent the pregnancy. It is the terminal method. It is the terminal method. This after this method, if couple want baby, they don't do this because it is a terminal method. There, this method is used in case of their couple who not need to more baby. जहां पर मैरिड कपल को और बच्चों की जरूरत नहीं होती, वहां सर्जिकल मेथड का यूज किया जाता है. दे आर द मोस्टली irreversible method. It is the irreversible method. After you take this step, you cannot have a baby after that. You cannot have a baby after that. एक बार जिसने इस step को ले लिया, after that you don't give birth to a child. It is a terminal method. Is it clear? And this step is taken by those type of couple who not need more baby, who need not more baby. Is it clear? Here, in which the small surgery is occur. Here, only a small surgery is occur. Here, small surgery is occur. How? In male, it is called the vasectomy. Vasectomy. Here, remembrance is very easy. Vasectomy related to the vasa differentia. That's why it is known as the vasectomy. And female, tubectomy is occur. In female, tubectomy is occur, which is related to the fallopian tube, in which vasa differentia is cut. In male, vasa differentia is cut. That is known as the vasectomy. It occur in the female is called the tubectomy, in which fallopian tube is cut. Tube means fallopian tube and vasa means vasa differentia. Here you getting my point? Easily remembrance point. Vasectomy means related to vasa differentia. Tubectomy means related to fallopian tube. Is it clear, everybody? This is very, very highly effective method, irreversible. It is very, very effective and irreversible. Vasectomy occur in the male because in male vasa differentia is present, and tubectomy occur in the female because fallopian tube is present in the female. That is the surgical method. Next is our, just a minute. Next method is medical termination of pregnancy, MTP. That is the medical termination of pregnancy. That is also known as the, just a minute. That is known as the MTP. Full form of MTP is the medical termination of pregnancy. It is in general common language, it is known as the abortion. It is common language. In common language, it is known as the abortion. And MTP means medical termination of pregnancy. Here pregnancy is terminated with the help of medical, yani lab techniques, etc. Is it? In this case, fertilization also occur, and fertilization after that pregnancy and baby formed also. Pregnancy भी होगी, fertilization भी होगी, and baby की formation भी होगी. But now female does not want baby. In this case, if female does not want baby, then when pregnancy is terminated, this type of process is known as medical termination of pregnancy. When abortion is done, this is known as the medical termination of pregnancy. Induced abortion. In this case, we induce the abortion. Say first trimester up to 12 weeks means अगर ये बिफोर 3 month होता है then it is fully safe. अगर ये before 3 month होता है it is fully safe. Common known as the abortion 3 month for बिल्कुल completely safe है. First 3 month it is safe. First trimester means up to 12 week. After 3 months when baby is aborted, when after 3 months baby is aborted or removed, when after 3 months baby is aborted or removed, then mother can have complication. Then mother can have lots of complication. There is a possibility to mother can die. There will be 100% possibility mother can die. After 3 months embryo get properly why mother can mother's complication possibilities are increasing after 3 months, because after 3 months embryo get properly attached to the uterus. जो embryo होता है वो properly attach हो जाता है female की uterus से. If we take risk to remove, if we take risk to remove the embryo after 3 months, then mother body can damage. It causes the lots of damage to the mother body. She may be die. Possibilities are there कि she may be die. Is it clear everybody? Next is MMR, maternal mortality rate. Here this is very important. Maternal mortality rate. What is the maternal mortality rate? It is very high in the rural areas. It is very high in the rural areas. When mother give birth, then uterus in sudden starting of uterus bleeding, she get die due to the bleeding in the uterus. She get die. Is it due to not proper handling during the ये होता क्यों है? Due to not proper handling during the pregnancy. Not proper handling during the pregnancy, most of the female get died. Is it? In rural area, not two facilities occur. That's why when mother giving birth, they die. That is called the maternal mortality rate. When mother give birth to a child and she can die, this type of rate is known as the maternal mortality rate. Is it clear? Are you getting my point, beta? That is very complication when we removing the fetus after 3 months. That is very complication situation to removing baby or fetus. It is easy when done in the starting 3 months. After that, doctor not recommended to you about the child. Is it clear, everybody? Next is very important, STDs. Here, these STDs are not STD like the phone calls. Is it? STDs are the sexually transmitted diseases. Here, STDs are sexually transmitted diseases. It occurs due to the sexual intercourse. It is occurred due to the sexual intercourse. The diseases generated during the sexual intercourse, that is known as the sexually transmitted diseases. Clear, everybody? The diseases originate or generate during the sexual intercourse, that is known as the sexually transmitted diseases. It occur due to the sexual intercourse. Also known as the venereal diseases. It is also known as the venereal diseases. VD भी कहते हैं. Some students are forgetting about that VD. What is the meaning of VD? These are also known as the venereal diseases. Also, sexually transmitted diseases is also known as the venereal diseases. Or reproductive tract infection also. It is also known as the reproductive tract infection, RTI. Also known as the reproductive tract infection, RTI. Here, hepatitis B. It is the hepatitis A is due to the liver infection and hepatitis B is due to the sexual intercourse. Hepatitis B is created by the sexual intercourse, and the genital herpes. It is a watery like pimples like structure is originate in the near about the genital tracts. Is it? HIV infection, that is also a sexually transmitted diseases. These three, hepatitis B, genital herpes and HIV infection, not completely curable. इनकी कोई भी प्रॉपर मेडिसिन नहीं हो, ये पूरी तरह से क्योर नहीं किए जा सकते. इज इट क्लियर? एवरीबडी क्लियर बेटा? डू हैव प्रोटेक्टेड इंटरकोर्स. You already have better knowledge about this. According to this chapter, you aware the people to all these things, STD diseases and the protected sexual intercourse, etc. Do have protected intercourse. Always have protected. Moving forward, what is the meaning of infertility? What is the meaning of infertility here? What is the meaning of infertility? The parent can the parent is incapable to give birth to a child, that is known as the infertility. Is it clear? What is the meaning of infertility? Just a minute. Infertility. What is the infertility? What is the infertility? When a couple is not able to get a baby, when it they want the baby, but they don't they are incapable to give birth to a child. They are not able to reproduce even they want to. Female not getting pregnant when she want baby. In this case, different techniques are used. When parents are incapable to give birth to a child, they take the different type of method or techniques are used in this case. First is the assistant reproductive technology. These technology which are used to in vitro fertilization or to plant the child, which type of parents don't give birth to a child naturally method. Then lots of techniques are used here. These techniques are collectively known as the assistant reproductive technology. These techniques are collectively known as the assistant reproductive technology. First is the IVF. You had recently listened about that IVF. Now different types of hospitals are located in our areas. IVF, in vitro fertilization. In vitro means outside fertilization. In vitro मतलब outside the body fertilization take place. Embryo transfer, in which क्या होता है, which parents are here, why it is performed in vitro fertilization? Fertility why not happened? It causes क्या है? फीमेल की फ्लोपियन ट्यूब ब्लॉक हो सकती है, जिसकी वजह से क्या होगा, फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं होगी. फीमेल नॉट प्रोड्यूसिंग द एग, या ऐसा भी हो सकता है केसेस में फीमेल इज नॉट प्रोड्यूसिंग द ओवम. If the egg is produced, then fertilization is not occur. As usual, I had told you, fallopian tube is blocked. If fertilization is taken, fallopian tube भी है और egg भी production है, but mother के अंदर क्या है, mother is so weak, it is incapable to implant the child. Incapable to implant the child. It means वो child को अपने uterus में implant करने में capable ही नहीं है. The mother is weak or body is weak, so not for the baby to grow. Are you getting my point, beta? There are the many problems which create the infertility in female. And male infertility is infertility only single reason. Semen is in semen, जो sperm mortality rate और sperm activation rate is not proper. और जो sperm का amount है या sperm जो semen है वो active form में नहीं है, जिसकी वजह से fertilization नहीं हो रही. Is it clear? In this, only 2-3 things are mainly occur. In vitro fertilization, we take the ovum from the female and the sperm from the male and fertilize into the lab condition. यानी test tube में उन्हें fertilize किया जाता है. And after fertilization, zygote is produced. And after zygote produced, cleavage division occur, means blastomere is formed, 8-cell stage is formed, just like that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the blastomere. When the cleavage division occurs, zygote is further division take place. Here the group of 8 group of cell structure is take place. That is known as the blastomere. When blastomere is formed, blastomere is formed, then it is placed into the fallopian tube. When 8 blastomere is formed, here listen carefully, when 8 stage of blastomere is formed, then it is injected into the fallopian tube. Then it is called the gift. That is called the gift. Zygote intrafallopian transfer. That is known as the zygote intrafallopian transfer because it is placed inside the fallopian tube. When it is take more than 8 cell stage, when it take place more than 8 cell stage, then blastomere is situated inside the uterus. Then blastomere is situated inside the uterus, and this is more than 8 blastomere directly placed into the uterus, and it is known as the intrauterine transfer because here transplantation is taken place inside the uterus. Here transfer is taken place inside the uterus. Yesterday one girl is asking from me, if the fallopian tube is damaged, then mother is act like a surrogate mother. Yes, when we take the blastomere up to 8 cell stage, then we directly put into the implant into the uterus, and that type of mother act like a surrogate mother. Understood, beta ji? If the cell is less than, then put into the fallopian tube. If it is more than 8 cell stage, then it is directly put into the uterus. If put into the fallopian, that is known as the intrafallopian transfer. When it is fixed into the uterus, it is known as the intrauterine transfer. Is it clear, everybody? Clear hai beta ji?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear hai? Any doubt regarding to this?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Sorry, in vivo fertilization. इसमें fertilization क्या होगी? In vivo होगी. Fusion of gamete within the female. जो fusion होगी gamete की, वो female body के अंदर होगी. In vivo inside the body. In vitro means outside the body. Is it clear, everybody? In vivo here. In vivo means, sorry. In vivo means inside the body, and in vitro means outside the body. Is it clear? Hanji, one more point is left in the before slide. Mother nourish the child, but fertilization is not occur. Then in vitro fertilization is take place. IVF take place. Is it? Then हमारी जो mother nourish तो कर सकती है child को, but fertilization नहीं perform कर सकती. उस cases में हम IVF कराते हैं ladies का. Is it clear? In vivo fertilization, fusion of gamete within female. GIFT, इसे क्या कहते हैं हम? GIFT. Gamete intrafallopian transfer. Here gamete intrafallopian transfer cannot. वो females क्या होती हैं, क्या बोलते हैं? ओवा प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर सकती, तो हम क्या करते हैं? डायरेक्टली ओवा को fallopian tube में ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं. इन दिस केस and cannot produce gamete. They are not capable to producing the ovum. हम क्या करेंगे? किसी फीमेल का ओवा लेके डायरेक्टली फीमेल fallopian tube में प्लेस कर देंगे. Can provide suitable environment for fertilization, and ऐसा environment provide करेंगे जहां easily fertilization और development of child take place. Is it clear, beta ji? Okay.